Hello dear students, welcome back to the online class. Dear students, today in this video class we are going to start the new lesson of your science subject. Here is the name of the lesson, Force, Work and Energy. Yes, dear students, today in this video class we are going to start this lesson here. So here first they have given here first warm up activity. So here what you have to do, just see here. Look at the picture shown alongside. Here they have given one picture. Can you see this picture? Yes, here is one picture. So by seeing this picture, here are some of the questions they have given here. So just you have to answer these questions here. So the first question here is, in the given picture, the person is dash the car. Dear students, you have to answer here whether the person is pushing or pulling the car here. Yes, dear students, can you guess what the person is doing here? Here, the person is pushing. Yes, the car is going front here. So here he is pushing the car here. Let us see the second question here. While dash the car he is using the concept of. So while pushing the car, he is using the concept of, whether he is using the concept of force or machine. Yes, dear students, he is using the concept of force here, not a machine. Yes, in the given picture, the person is pushing a car here. So, while pushing the car, which concept he is using? The person, he is using the concept of force here. So dear students, now here the first concept about your lesson, that is more about force, energy and simple machines. The first concept we are going to study is about force. So before going to start the lesson, here are some of the introduction questions are there. Let us see the first question here. And you have to try to answer here. What causes the football to move when it is kicked? Yes, in your day-to-day life, you will be playing the football. Yes, here, when you kick the football, yes, what will cause here? So, what you want, if you want to kick the football, you need force here. When you apply the force into the ball, then the ball will start moving. So, here the answer is, what causes the football move when it is kicked? When you kick the football, yes, what causes? The force is applied here. The second question here is, which force causes the ball to move after it strikes the net? Yes, dear students, when the ball goes into the net, again it will come back to the earth surface only. So here the concept of gravity comes. In your 4th standard you have studied about the gravitational force. So which force causes the ball? Which type of force? That is a gravitational force. When you strike football into the net, again it will come back to the ground here because of the gravity pulls the ball towards the earth surface. The next question here is, which type of energy is released when the referee blown his whistle? Yes, dear students, can you guess which energy is released when he will whistle? Yes, when he will blow the whistle, sound energy is produced here. These are the gravitational force, sound energy. These are the concepts involved in this lesson. So some of the introduction concept here. Dear students, can you see here the picture? Yes, what the person is doing here? He is pulling the cart here. This is the cart. What he is doing, whether he is pushing the cart or pulling the cart. He is pulling the cart here. So, can you define what is force? Yes, dear students. Force is defined as a push or a pull. Yes, when a person push any object further, then it is considered as a push. When he will take and go, then it is a pulling. So, you can see in the picture here, what is pushing and what is a pulling. Yes, can you give some of the example for pushing? Yes, pushing of a car, pushing of a wall, pushing of a door. These are the example for pulling. Pushing. Then what is the example of pulling? Pulling. Like for example, pulling of a cart. Yes, pulling of a drawer. These are the example for pulling. So, can you tell now what is the definition of a force? A force is defined as a push or a pull. It is a, what is a force? Force is a push or a pull. Acting on a body. What is a body here? Here is the body. So dear students, this is the body. So what is the here? This here middle. This is the body. So you can define the force as a push or a pull. Acting on a body is called a, what we call? We call it as a force. So this is an important definition. Here the question may come, define force. So how you have to define the force? A force is a push or a pull acting on a body is called a force. Next, here comes the concept here. Then what are the effects of a force here? Yes, as you all know the definition of a force. Then what are the effects are the after applying a force, what we can observe? Yes, here are the some of the effects of force. So when you apply a force on any object, we cannot see a force. Can you see a force? No, it is not possible. We cannot see a force. Yes, here a girl is applying a force on this stool here. But we cannot see that force. But we can see its effect. So only we can see. We cannot see that force. Only the effects we can see. Whether it is moving, whether it is in a stationary. Yes, but we can see its effect. See dear students, we cannot see a force but we can see its effect here. When we apply a force on any object, when we apply a force on any object, we cannot see that force. Then what we can see? But we can see its effect. Only the effect is visible to us. So let us examine the effects that force can have objects here. So what are the effects we can see here dear students? Here, a force can also change the direction of a moving object when it is applied at an angle of the direction. Dear students, when you apply force to any object, yes, the object direction can be changed here. The first effect is here the object can change in the direction, whether it is moving forward, whether it will come backward. So first effect here is a change in the direction of motion of a moving object and also change in the speed. Even the speed also will change here. The first effect is it will change the direction of motion. The object will change the direction of motion. The next effect here is a force can stop the moving object. Yes, dear students, when the object is moving, yes, by applying a force we can stop the moving object. You can see here a boy, yes, he has stopped the ball getting into the net. Yes, he has stopped. So force can stop the moving object. So again, what are the effects we can see? Yes, we can change from the state of rest to the state of motion also. Even the change in the shape of an object also changed here. These are the effects of force. When you apply a force to any object, what are the effects we have seen? We can see. So the change in the size, yes, the change of the in the shape also, and even change in the size also, and even the direction also will change here. These are the effects of a force. Yes, dear students, the next concept here is the types of forces. There are many types of forces are there. So here are some of the types of forces are there. The first type of force is the gravitational force, electrostatic force, buoyant force, frictional force, mechanical force, magnetic force. Dear students, these are the different types of forces we are going to study in this lesson. As I have taught you the definition of force. So again in the force we are having a different types of force. Gravitational force, electrostatic force, buoyant force, frictional force, mechanical force, magnetic force. These are the different types of force we are going to study in this lesson. So today in this video class what we have studied? Just we have studied about the concept of pushing and pulling. Then we have studied the definition of a force. Then what are the effects of force? And even the types of force also we have studied. In the next video class we will study about the types of force. So dear students, what you have to do in your home, you have to just read and try to behead the difficult words till where I have covered. In the next video class, we will continue with this lesson. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.